Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video will teach you how to burn a bootable ISO files to your blank CD. How to burn a bootable ISO files in an easy way. So before we start, we must download the software that we are going to use to burn an ISO files. So open your default browser. So my default browser is Google Chrome. And search box, just search image burn. Image burn, just click on that, and we have the official image burn website, so just click. So as you can see here, the engine of their site, the image burn. So click download, and we have here the download. We have mirror 1, mirror 2, mirror 3. So I will click the mirror 1. Then we have here, click here to download. Click. So as you can see the bottom, on the bottom, the setup of image burn has been downloaded. So let's start. So this setup image burn is going to install your PC. Run administrator, click run, click yes, next, then check the I accept the terms and agreement, next, just next, then the destination folder, just click yes. So no, for me, there is no need to do the installation because I've already installed the image burn. So close all the windows, close. So open the image burn, just click that, the image burn. As we can see, before we open the image burn, just make sure that your external or internal DVD is working. Now we have the right image, then click right image, then click open file folder, and I have here the ISO image about the Windows 10 DBS. So there's after that, click OK. Then there is no need to change about the tools, about the other stuff. Then click right. Okay, we will just have to wait the installation or the burn to be complete. And take note guys, there is a sound stuff there that will remind you that the burning is to be completed. So after the installation, then the bootable ISO image is ready to use. So thank you. Click and subscribe.